आत्मनिर्भरता से जियो, आत्मनिर्भरता से रहो. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The village economy could not be completed without the operation of village industries." What lay at the core of this thought was the urge to make the villages self-sufficient. The father of our nation was pioneer in promoting rural self-employment and self-reliance. His ideals and beliefs about self-sufficiency have led to the development of village industries as well as its contribution to India's economy. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission, leading to incorporation of Khadi and Village Industries Boards in all states. Its basic objectives being employment generation, production of saleable goods, creation of self-reliance amongst the poor, and strengthen rural community spirit. These small industries require little to no capital to set up, thereby making them an economically viable option for the rural poor with reference to India in view of its income, regional and rural-urban inequalities. Several agencies are engaged in the manufacturing, marketing and selling of products in Gujarat and other states respectively under the supervision, assistance and approval of Gujarat Rajya Khadi and Village Industries Board. Also, institutions train artisans employed in these industries, make them capable to deal with the market trends and create their mark amidst the multinational products. The board supports these small industries in villages that could not require help from outside the village and could be run with little capital, so that such small industries would generate employment and make it bigger. The village industries products range from domestic food items like pickles and snacks to bakery, soap, Kalamkush handmade paper, cotton looms, khadi garments, confectionery items, carpentry and others. At inception, these industries were struggling in their operations and marketing. But the board has seen the immense possibilities of making them Atmanirbhar. And now one such industry is sharing its success story.
मैंने ये जब शुरुआत की तभी खादी बोर्ड की जो ये स्कीम थी, वो स्कीम के अंतर्गत मुझे इतना सपोर्ट मिला. साथ में मुझे बोर्ड के जो अधिकारीगण हैं उनका बहुत मोरल सपोर्ट रहा. बोर्ड के अंतर्गत जो पूरे राज्य में अलग अलग जगह पे जो प्रदर्शन होते थे वहाँ से हमें बहुत सारी हमारी प्रोडक्ट और कंपनी को प्रतिभाव मिला. हमें अच्छा सेल डेवलप करने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला.
Earlier, Tampi Foods had gone through initial hiccups in production, marketing and overall setup. But with the tremendous support of the Khadi and Village Industries Board, this industry is now going with the pace, fully equipped and generating employment, adapting innovations and finally enhancing overall working dynamics. In the same way, this bakery in Bardoli shares its success story.
આ સંઘની સ્થાપના 1962માં થઈ હતી. સંઘનું રજિસ્ટ્રેશન ખાદી ગ્રામોદ્યોગ બોર્ડ અને ખાદી કમિશનના નીચે હેઠળ થયેલું છે. તેમાં મુખ્યત્વે ગ્રામોદ્યોગમાં બેકરી અમારું બહુ મોટું કામ છે. બેકરી અને અન્ય ગ્રામોદ્યોગની વસ્તુઓનું વેચાણ અમે પોતે ઉત્પાદન કરીને વેચીએ છીએ. આ વર્ષમાં અમે 6 કરોડ રૂપિયાના બિસ્કિટ બનાવીને વેચીએ છીએ. આ મુખ્ય હેતુ અમારો રોજગારલક્ષી છે. લોકોને ખાદી અને ગ્રામોદ્યોગની પ્રવૃત્તિથી શુદ્ધ અને સાત્વિક વસ્તુ મળે, સ્વચ્છ મળે, એનું અમે ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખીએ છીએ.
Earlier, started with almost nothing major in hand. On a very small scale, it was operating. But now it is full-fledged confectionery and bakery. Thanks to the massive push by the board, which has also given a push back to the economy. In order to motivate the artisans and industries continuously towards achieving production skills and promoting sale of village products for a synergic livelihood, Gujarat Rajya Khadi and Village Industries Board have issued several schemes and programs. These would not only provide financial assistance to the industries for capacity building and equipment acquisition or repair, but also facilitate them with loans to launch projects in the manufacturing or service sector within the range of products under Khadi and Village Industries. As Gandhiji quoted, "The future of India lies in its villages."